Hi, I'm John from National Camera, and I'll be talking to you about my favorite piece of equipment in my camera bag. So my favorite piece of equipment that I use probably 90% of the time when I'm out shooting is the Sony 24-70 2.8 G Master lens. I use this for a variety of situations. I like to use it for landscapes, I use it for portraits, and I also use it a lot for night photography. The reason why I like it for landscapes is 24mm on a full frame camera. It's wide enough for most landscape situations, but at the same time 70 on the back end also gives you a great portrait range. So you can really punch in and get those close-up portrait shots. The 2.8 continuous aperture helps a lot for low light, as well as making sure I can get a very shallow depth of field and a very sharp picture, both at 24mm and at 70mm. I use this lens a lot for travel. I think it's a great lens to carry with me in my bag, and it's always on my camera. One of my favorite features about this lens is the customizable button on the side right below the GM logo. What I can do with this is I can custom set that to be whatever I like. I have mine personally set for eye autofocus, so if I'm taking a picture of somebody and I want to really nail in that eye focus, I just push down the button on the side of my lens and I know I've got a great shot. Well, thanks for watching. Again, my name is John. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.